Hi everyone! Let's tackle chapter problem 3, calculating present value. If the interest rate is 10%, what is the present value of the Monroe Corporation's profit in the next 10 years? I prepared a spreadsheet that you can use and follow my demonstration in this video. Alright, we know interest rate per year, and we know also the profit per each year measured in millions of dollars. And then you click this spreadsheet with underline link, and once you click it, you will open to spreadsheet I prepare for you. Alright, so how do we use the spreadsheet here? So for example, column A contains information of a year from 1 year to 10 year. I just copy this from the problem set. And the second column B include the profit that I also copy from the table on the problem. And if you look at here, interest rate, which is written in column B and row 13, that is indicating 10% interest rate. So this is given fixed at a constant by the problem. And if you look at the column C, that is going to fill present value in each row for each year. So if you look at this window, the function window here, then this window actually shows the formula how I calculate present value. So for example, column C and second row, that present value of the profit in the first year, that is calculated by the profit in the second year, which is 8, but it belongs to the cell B2. So here you can see that formula conclude equal B2 divided by 1 plus the interest rate, which is fixed for 10 years. So if you look at this expression, it say $B, $13. So $B indicate we are fixing column at B, and we are fixing $13 means we are fixing the location of row, which is row 13. So $B, $13, as you include $sign in front of column name and row name, that 0.1 that you are going to use repeatedly won't change along the data point you want to generate. So there will be always 0.1. Then also the compounding interest rate will be powered as this superscript A2, which is indicating 1 year passed, right? So this equation, once you press enter, then it calculates the value for you. And if you move to the next row, row 3 in column C, also you can see that except $B, $13, which is 10% interest rate, the number, the cell number B3, A3, automatically adjusts to include profit in B3 row for year 2, etc. So this Excel will calculate once you enter these formula that you want to calculate with, right? So it's very convenient. And also, even if I do not have these numbers, let's say I do not have these numbers, but I have the formula, then once you point your cursor at the bottom right corner, then you click it, double click, then it automatically generates all the way up, all the way down to the last row that will be matched to other columns length. So it's very convenient. And then if you go total, column D, that is a cumulative, or that is cumulative profit in present value. So for first year past, the total profit in present value will be only 7.27, which is in the location C2. So if you look at the equation here, that is equal to C2, any number in location of C2 will be inserted. But then if you go to next row, cell D3, then the equation now include not only C3, but also the previous total profit in D2, in the previous one. So you can see the changes, how it calculate the cumulative present value profit, right? Of course, if I don't have these, then I can also put my cursor at the bottom right of the cell that contains the equation and double click, then it will generate the numbers automatically that is adjusting for each row you want to adopt for calculation. As a college graduate, it's very important for you to know how to manipulate spreadsheet and do right tasks with it. So move on to the next slide and take a quiz that I prepared for you by clicking this link. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching.